Hapdeng kijing dawa baksar jala kadai ban shim sen jam nak banta ban khot yak dorbar kyrpang jong ka yang dorbar thau an ke jala nak banta ban ïatai halor roster system ba kijing pej bede abyang yak reservation policy usembut menteri rangba ke jala Meghalaya ba Prestone Tynsong ulaong ba ïohi ban donkam yak dorbar kyrpang halor kadai gamat ulaong ba andalon phai menteri rangba ke jala konrat ke sangma kin saperkhat ban ekran nak jingelang jong borok seng sanhima kiban nak jala ba kumju ke jingelang jong sarkar MDA2 dak ba penpau ba hashwa kita ke jingelang ba Prestone ulaong ba an setai phlu jung mot ba jingelang kunu menteri halor roster system.
The voice of the people party and other political parties, they have demanded the government to convene the special session to discuss on the reservation policy. What is your take on this?
No, there are different issues. You talking about roster system or you talking about reservation policy?
To discuss on rooster system.
No, you asked me first whether you want to ask me about reservation policy or the roster system.
It's all linked.
It doesn't link much. I think right now your question is about roster system, right? In view of that ruling of the Honorable High Court, which came out recently, so see from the government, in fact, I don't see any need to have a special session. However, I'm not saying that right now, but see when Chief Minister is back to Shillong, we are planning to have all party meeting. We would like to have MDA meeting, but first of all, we will have this detailed discussion in the cabinet. Then, as I said to you, ultimately we take decision. Maybe we can also call all party meeting where we can share, we discuss everything with all the political parties.
So the court has stated that it is left to the state government on how far back the rooster system.
Well, I think that is a very long story. Let me just tell you one thing. We already filed the affidavit for 3 times. At that time, the Honorable High Court says you have to do the roster system right from 1972, which they clearly said it should be right from the inception of the reservation policy, which means that we have to go back from 1972. But in view of the latest ruling of the Honorable High Court, as I said, we will again sit down, we'll discuss with the cabinet, we will discuss with the MDA, and thereafter we can even call the all-party meeting.
We have seen the NGOs also have demanded the government that the rooster system should not be right from 1970.
It should not be retrospective. That is true. Even from the government side, last year, we have already filed affidavit 2-3 times. We requested the Honorable High Court, if possible, let us create it prospective. From the day the ruling came in, we would like to have that roster system also to be in place from that time.
There is also a demand to review the reservation policy.
Well, let us, I think we'll take it one by one. As of now, as I said to you, I think the issue is about the roster system. So government has taken note of this, and we will, as I said to you, we will discuss in the cabinet, and we will discuss with the MDA partners, and as well as, if necessary, we will call the all-party meeting.